Hi, I'm Cini from Realty, and over the next few months we're going to be showing you some different local businesses that might be able to help you down the track. So have you ever had a project going on at home, whether it be a renovation, front fence, a swimming pool or even a shed, never to consider that there are services that are entering your property? A lot of people do start work without knowing what exactly is going on. Sometimes there's power, water, Telstra even, and the heights aren't always what they're meant to be. So we're going to be talking to Tony Fester from 1300 Locate, and he's going to run you through some of the services they provide. By going through him, you can definitely save yourself a ton of money by not hitting these services. Let's go to him now and see what he's about.
Thanks, Adam. Utilities in your property will always be a point of contention, especially if you're extending your house, putting in a shed, a pool, a driveway, front fence, or even just a bit of landscaping. Anywhere where you're going to be breaking the ground, you need to check for those utilities. For 16 years, 1300 Locate has been providing utility locating services to anybody that's doing excavation. Something you may not realise is those utilities are your responsibility. If you're doing any construction work in your property where you have to break ground, you need to go out there and locate those utilities. If they get damaged, you'll be paying for the cost of them. I've put together a couple of pointers which I believe can help you, the homeowner, avoid costly damages to utilities in your yard when you're excavating around them. Number one, DBYD. Phone 1100 and order a set of DBYD plans for your address or online at 1100.com.au. Number two, know where your utilities are. Hire a reputable certified utility locating company to mark them within your property. Number three, have the utility locator complete a photo map of sorts with offsets so you have a record of where your utilities are, and make sure you file that away. Number four, if you are completing an extension or building a shed, you probably already know if you have a council sewer or stormwater in your yard. If your extension will encroach on the utility, you'll be required to complete a build over or near sewer or stormwater. This will more than likely require a CCTV dilapidation report before and after your renovation or building is complete. This also applies to new home builds. If you don't do any utility locating in your yard and you damage those utilities through excavation, you will be sent a cost for the repair of the utility by the asset owner. If you damage utilities in your yard, repair bills can often range from $450 to over $10,000. So make sure you know where your utilities are.
So I hope you found this information useful. We plan on doing a few more of these over the next few months with local businesses. So stay tuned and we'll see you at the next one.